Previously, we explored LangChain basics. Now, discover how to generate and parse structured JSON with LangChain and Ollama Llama 3.2. We're about to see how to use LangChain and Ollama's Llama 3.2 to generate and parse structured JSON from your text. First, we're importing Ollama LLM from LangChain Ollama and prompt template from LangChain prompts. These are the tools that'll help us talk to the language model and format our prompts. Now we're creating an LLM object and setting the model to Llama 3.2 latest. This is the brain that'll generate our JSON output. Here, we're building a prompt template. It takes your input text and asks the model to return a JSON with a title and keywords. Notice how we show the exact format we want. So the model knows to respond with a JSON object containing a title and a list of keywords. Let's set up a sample block text about AI in business, and then we call the LLM with our formatted prompt. This is where the magic happens. The model reads your text and returns a structured JSON response. Let's print out the original block text so you can see exactly what we're working with. And finally, let's print the parsed output from the model. Now let's see what happens when we run this.